With over 75 years of expertise, Echo has developed the new Garden Plus series. The DCS-310 chainsaw is lightweight and powerful, making it ideal for a range of domestic jobs. Simply connect and get to work. The electronic chain brake increases operator safety, and the compact design gives high maneuverability and ease of use. The powerful brushless motor features electronic torque control that increases motor speed during cutting, optimizing power and increasing the runtime. The 30cm cutting system, equipped with a narrow curved chain, ensures highly efficient and quick cutting, whatever the job. So go ahead, transform your garden plus our expertise.